Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Are you ready for today's episode? Let's get into it. Today on this episode, we're going to be making Dollar Tree chili. We're going to be using seasoned diced beef sirloin. Hold on to your hats, we're going for a ride. All right, with the exception of the onion powder and garlic powder, everything else you see here, I got from the Dollar Tree. This recipe is so simple, let's get it on. Now all I did to defrost this, I put in some warm water for a couple of minutes and then was ready to go. I'm gonna cut this bag open and I'm ready to dice. Mama. And I'm gonna grab my meat and cut it, yeah. And cut and cut. And cut some more. Now I'm dicing, I'm really going. Yep. And this is the end result. It should look something like this. Now we're ready to put this meat right into our pan. I pre-warmed the pan, put a little bit of oil in there. And there we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little mix. Mix it round and round. And it's browning nicely. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alrighty, now as a thickening agent, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of flour. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in when it's cooking. And brown that up. All right, it's gonna look something like this, a little clumpy, and I'm gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes. Now I came back, and I went ahead and added some garlic powder. And in goes my onion powder. Next, in goes a 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget to mix that up. Next, we're gonna be using 1 cup of pinto beans. In they go. 1 cup of red beans. And in they go. And 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Now after mixing and stirring, it should look something like this. I let it simmer for about 6 or 7 minutes. And I cooked that on medium-high heat. And that's the end result. What do you think? Ooh. It looks really, really good. But you know what they say, proof is in the pudding. Or in the chili, rather. If you like this episode, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Don't miss out. Okay. That's really, really good. And I'm very surprised they came out that good from ingredients from the Dollar Tree. I added cheese because I had some on hand. You don't? That's fine. Yep. That hit the spot. That is really good. I'm gonna take a cracker for myself. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.